Now select this and move it just like here. Go to top view and see. Move it just here and go to edge mode. Select this edge and move it back here. Again go to vertex mode. Select these two vertex. Move it just like here. Now go to object mode and move it down. Again go to face selection mode. Select this face. Go to edit mesh, click extrude, go to top view, turn on wireframe mode, move tool and move it here. Just here. Again go to perspective view and see. Go to top view and move it here. Again go to object mode. Now go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to perspective view. Select this and move it here. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it here. Again select this, move it just here. This one here, this one here, this one here. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move it just here. Again now select this, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and scale it just like this and move it just here. Go to top view, move here, move up, scale tool, scale it just like this and move up just like this. Move up and scale. Now go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move it here. This one here. Go to object mode, again scale it to make it thin and move it up just here. Go to edge mode, select this edge, shift select this edge, go to edit mesh, click bevel, take segment 3, again go to object mode, Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it up just here. Press F to zoom or focus in. Move it just like here. Now select these two objects, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history, go to face selection mode, select this face, shift select this face, press delete. Now go to edge mode, select this edge, shift double click on this edge, go to edit mesh, click bridge and curve type select blend and division take 8 just like this. Now again go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now take a polygon cylinder and move it here and scale it just like this. Subdivision caps type 0 and go to side view, move it here, go to perspective view and go to top view, move it here and scale it just like this. Type scale XYZ 0.15, press enter. Now go to perspective view and again scale to make it little and move it down. Press Ctrl plus move it here. Go to modify freeze transformation, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it just here. Just like this. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and put it here. Press F to zoom or focus in. Go to top view. Move it here. Put it here. Again go to side view. Move it here. Now rotate tool, rotate it along y-axis type 90. Move tool, move just here. Go to wireframe mode. Again go to top view. Press F to zoom or focus in. Go to vertex mode. Select this vertex and move just like here. Object mode. Put it to the middle. Select this. Now go to perspective view. Shaded mode. Select this. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move down. This act as bold. Now select these two objects. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it here. Press F to zoom or focus in. Select this. Press F to zoom or focus in. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it here. Just like this. Press F to zoom or focus in. Move down. Now select this and shift select this. Vertex mode, select this vertex. Move here. Go to object mode. Edit, delete by type, delete history. Again select this. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it here. Press F to focus. Again take a polygon pipe, polygon primitives. Take a polygon pipe. Move it here. Scale just like this. Scale. Thickness type 0.1. Press enter and move it here. Go to side view. Put it here. Press F to focus. Rotate it 90° along z-axis. Type 90. Go to perspective view. Press F to focus or zoom in. Again scale to make it small. Just like this. Go to top view. press F to focus and move it here to the middle of this object. Again go to perspective view, go to modify freeze transformation, put it here. Now go to face selection mode, select this face, go to edit mesh, click extrude, move tool, put it back here just like this, scale to make it straight. Now go to object mode, type 0 along translate z-axis, and go to top view and see it is attached to that object. Now again go to perspective view, select all of this, go to file, click save scene, and go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now go to top view, press F to focus, press D or insert key on your keyboard to edit the pivot point, press V to snap it to here, or press V and snap it to this edge. Again press D, go to perspective view, see this is x-axis. Now go to mesh, open mirror option, edit, reset the setting, select object and copy, mirror axis, mirror direction minus x-axis, merge border vertices, click mirror and see. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. Again go to top view, press F to focus or zoom in. Again press D or insert key, D, and go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move just here to adjust to this vertex. Go to front view and side view and see, top view and see. Again go to object mode, press D or insert key on your keyboard and press V to snap it here. Again press D. Now go to mesh, click mirror and go to perspective view and see. This is the final slate board done in Autodesk Maya. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history, and rename it slate board. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history, select this, press delete slate board. Now go to channel box or layer editor. With selected, click on this icon, create a new layer and assign selected object, and click on this icon. This will hide this.